Do you want to know how you can enable flash screen and vibration in Google Gemini? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the flash screen and vibration in Google Gemini. Go ahead and open Google Gemini, which is on your phone. Tap on your profile on the top right hand side and then go to settings. Next, go to screen context and you can see the flash screen option. The flash screen options enables you to flash the edges of the screen to let you know when the device assistance app accesses text from the screen. So to turn it on, go ahead and click on this button. Now to turn on the vibration, you can see that it will vibrate when the device assistance app is open using the home button. To turn it on, go ahead and tap on it and you can see that currently you have turned on the flash screen and vibration. So you will get both flash screen and vibration as Google Gemini is working on your screen analyzing app. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.